Assalamu alaikum audience. So today I will discuss lecture number 68 and I have collected all these vocabulary facts and statistics from Dawn newspaper. So these vocabulary will help you in all competitive examinations in Pakistan. So, from an article which was published in Dawn in the name of Text Culture and which was written by Rashid Javed. So, you people can Google it. So, some important collection and vocabulary from that article. So, the first one is sundry. So, something which is made up of different things. Next one, labyrinth. So the meaning of labyrinth is something that is extremely complicated or difficult to understand or to comprehend. Next one, umpteen. So many, multifaceted, beshumar, mukhtalif. Next one, crisscrossing. So its meaning to go from one side of something to the other side and came back again. So it's called crisscrossing. Next one, brunt, jatka. So the principal force, shock or stress behind something. Next one, curse, lanat bejna. So an offensive word that people say when they are angry. Next one, ICT, which stands for Information Communication Technology. Next one, platitudes. So the quality or state of being dull or insipid, halkapan. Next one, substantiating. So the meaning of substantiating, to prove, sabit karna. Next one, recklessly. So लापरवाही से, careless or carelessness. Next one, allied. So to mitigate, to mollify, palliate, soothe, relief, assuage, just like painkiller or analgesics. Next one, wary. So to be careful, alert, cautious. Next one, another opinion which was published in Dawn uh, in the name of nuclear worries, and the article has been written by Sadia Taslim. So some important vocabulary. So the first one is imminent. So something which likely to happen or about to happen. Next one, simmering. So something which exists in suppressed state. Another meaning of simmering, slowly developing over time, something which slowly developing over time. Next one, gimmick. So chal, a method or track that is used to get people attention. Next one, glitch. So funny kharabi, a fault or defect in a computer program, system or in a machine. Next one, ironically. So something which is contrary to plan or expectation. Next one, bluff. Mostly it's used in the context of nuclear bluff. So the Vladimir Putin, the president of Russia, many times has used this word nuclear bluff. So he told previously that I will use nuclear weapon on Ukraine. So according to some experts, it's just a nuclear bluff. So the meaning of bluff, an attempt to deceive someone into believing that one can or is going to do something. Next one, befitting. So befitting, appropriate to the occasion. So when the Indian Armed Forces attacked on Pakistan on 27 Feb, so the Pakistan Air Force responded befittingly. Next one, saber rattling. So the display or threat of military force. Next one, introspection. So self-observation, self-analysis. Next one, fetish. So a strong and unusual need or desire for something. Next one, sacrosanct, muqaddas. So something regarded as too important or valuable to be interpreted with. Next one, sacrosanct mean muqaddas, just like holy places in Islam or in Christianity. Next one, remorse. So a feeling of guilt, pachtawa hona, yeah, pachtawa. And the last one is precluded. So rokna, to prevent someone from doing something. So it's all for today, and stick to Dawn Times for more videos and updates. So please like and subscribe this channel for more videos and updates. And if you people can comment us, so you can also join our WhatsApp channel, and that is on the name of Dawn Times. So thank you and good luck.